So, all right. So that lays the kind of foundation about for those who may be scratching their heads, going, "What does it mean that the U.S. is governed by a written constitution, and why does it matter?" and all of that. And so now I'm going to ask you a question that may be difficult to answer now because maybe it's a question that has to be asked of future historians, but we'll take a crack at it. In the past 6 to 9 months, say, has the United States changed, and I'm talking now politically, in such a dramatic way that one can make a convincing argument that we are moving very much away from being a country governed by constitutional law?
No, we're still a country governed by constitutional law. However, since January 20th, 2025, when President Trump was inaugurated, there's been an unprecedented set of actions that I think are clearly unconstitutional. And these are actions that involve taking human beings and putting them in maximum security prisons in El Salvador or sending to South Sudan. It's the president refusing to spend money appropriated by Congress, even though he's required to do so. It's the president firing agency officials and government employees, even when they're protected by federal law. It's the president using the enormous powers of the federal government unconstitutionally to punish law firms and those he considers his enemies. And I think at the moment in time in which we're talking, how this will all play out is uncertain, but it's very frightening in terms of what it means in being a democracy and not being an authoritarian country.